IIT Madras to raise $2 million to nurture women faculty, students and researchers. Maharashtra board exams to be held as per schedule, says Varsha Gaikwad. JEE main result 2021 for Feb exams likely to be out today. Delhi government schools to be affiliated to new board. School principals welcome the decision. Reopening England's schools is a step towards normality, says Prime Minister Johnson. Over 6.88 lakh candidates apply for the UPPSC exams 2021. Telangana State EAM CET 2021 exam schedule announced. Oaks app makes online education easy in Telangana. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, has launched a program to boost women leadership in science and technology. The Women Leading IITM program aims to develop and support women talent at the institute. According to IIT Madras, the objective of the program is to increase the percentage of women faculty in assistant professorships to 20% from 15%, generate 30% of all faculty applicants from women candidates, among others. The program will focus to accelerate, recruit, secure, develop, nurture and support programs. The inaugural grants will be issued on March 8th to mark the International Women's Day. As per IIT Madras, $2 million endowment will be raised by the end of 2021, which will provide annual grants to support programs taken by women students, faculty and researchers. The Maharashtra School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad has announced that the Board of Examinations 2021 will be held as per schedule in the state, despite the sudden spike in the number of COVID-19 cases in certain cities of Maharashtra. The board examinations for students of classes 10 and 12 will be held between April 23rd and May 21st this year. The exams have already been postponed from their original schedule in February and will not be postponed any further. To help the students deal with the academic stress of the board examinations being conducted in the middle of a pandemic, the state board has already reduced the syllabus for the exams by 25%, Gaikwad had said earlier. The JEE main result 2021 for February exams is likely to be declared today. Once the results are out, candidates who have appeared in the JEE mains 2021 February session will be able to check their results online at jeemain.nta.nic.in. The National Testing Agency on Sunday released the final answer key for the entrance examination. The February session examination was conducted from February 23rd to 26th, 2021 at various centres spread across the country. School principals on Saturday said the Delhi government's decision to form a separate education board for the city at par with international standards will bring in aspects of best global practices and promote research and skill-based studies. However, the All India Parents Association opposed the setting up of the Delhi Board of School Education, saying it will lower the standard of education, and claimed that most of the biggest schools in the country are under the CBSE. Currently, schools in Delhi are either affiliated to the CBSE or the Indian School Certificate Examination. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday announced setting up of the DBSE, which he said would be based at par with international standards to prepare fiercely patriotic and self-dependent students through a focus on understanding and personality development. The reopening of England's schools to all pupils on Monday will mark the first step back towards normality and is only possible because of the efforts of the public to bring COVID-19 infection rates down, said the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Johnson has announced a roadmap for lifting lockdown measures that sees schools open first, followed in later stages by the gradual easing of restrictions on mixing with other people and the reopening of non-essential shops and other venues. In the final stage, which will take place no earlier than June 21st, the government hopes to remove all remaining legal limits on contact with others. Over 6.88 lakh candidates have applied for the UPPSC's Combined State or Upper Subordinate Services Examination 2021, commonly known as PCS exam, and Assistant Conservator of Forest or Range Forest Officer Services Examination 2021, say UPPSC officials. As per the annual calendar of recruitment exams issued by the Commission for 2021, the PCS exam 2021 is scheduled to be held on June 13th. Online applications for 400 posts of PCS and 16 posts of ACF or RFO recruitment exam were accepted from February 5th till March 5th, said media in charge of UPPSC Pushkar Srivastav. The Telangana State Council of Higher Education on March 6th released the detailed exam schedule of the state-level EAM CET exams. As per the council, the exam will be held from July 5th to 9th in both forenoon and afternoon shifts. The engineering exam will be held from July 7th to 9th between 3 to 6 pm, while agriculture and medical exam is scheduled on July 5th, 6th from 9 am to 12 noon. The application process will begin on March 20th. Interested candidates can apply till May 18th through the official website. The online window to make correction on application process will be available from May 19th to 27th. The application process with late fee will be closed on June 28th. The COVID-19 pandemic enforced education to go completely digital, which brought with it its setbacks like the access to smartphones, network connectivity, high-speed internet to name. To ensure that the students from schools aided by the government or its subsidiaries are not affected academically, the government of Telangana collaborated with Online Adaptive Knowledge System or OAKS to offer online learning classes. OAKS is a premium learning platform from Sunita Infovision Limited, designed to provide edutainment solutions to students, teachers, parents, and educators. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.